Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to make water drops in Procreate. Let's get started. First of all, select the background and choose the color. Then select any brush. I'm using this monoline brush. Yes. And draw and select the white color and draw the oval shape. You can edit it like this, make it big and small, and fill the color. Select the alpha log and select the background color and choose the soft brush and check the size. I'm using the 13%. Now make it circle like this. Yes. Now choose the darken color. Now draw it over it. Take it new layer. Now it's time to draw shadow. Select the brush. Again I'm using the monoline brush and select the black color. Now draw the shadow. You can make it more correct. Now firstly fill it. Fill it with black color. Keep it down. Now make it blur. Firstly you can edit it. The wrap is the best option for it. You can adjust the shadow with it. Now you can choose the percentage of Gaussian blur. Edit it. More correct it. Make it more blurred. Now it's okay. Now take it the soft brush and choose the white color to give it more real. So I am using the white color over it like this. Give it shine. Wow, it's looking real now. You can adjust it. Now it's fine. Thank you.